Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I want to do a quick unboxing video for you guys. Today I am moving into the next steps of mods for the JZX, and today we are going to start with something from NRG Innovations. So here you see we have a box. This is going to be for a short hub adapter, and I believe this is a 2.0. So as you can see right here, I believe this is the 120. No, this is not it. Nope. Anyways, the short hub adapter list. I do have a short hub coming. This is an old sticker, hex key, some warranty, and a sticker. And here is the hub in a nice styrofoam piece. So this is a short hub. You can see you have your male end, which is the black, and the yellow, which is your female end for your quick adapters. And looks like this side is for your wheel, and then this side goes into the thing. Yeah, so you can see this side goes into your steering wheel and this goes into the hub, and then all you have to do is click it back in. And this is the 2.0, and it has the carbon fiber ring on there. Don't know if it's real, but nice little touch. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's kind of fading on the edge over here. Anyways, now we're going to move into what else is in the box. Another bit. Looks like some more hex keys. Don't know what this thing is. And then looks like a spacer and some screws, probably for like a steering wheel or something. And that seems to be it. So if you know this, then I have a short hub coming on the way, and then I also have a steering wheel I'm going to be putting on. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.